He will be. He's not quite dead yet. Give him mouth to mouth. This is an almost dead gecko.
Wait, did I squish the eyeball out of it?
Yeah.
He squished the eyeball. His poor mother. What would his poor mother think?
We're actually racing, aren't we?
Well, actually no, because we didn't go off the starting line, but we're in the middle of a race. How annoying we are. Actually, there's some good footage behind you.
Oh, yeah.
If you just move your off so I can
see.
see.
There's the gecko.
Gecko imprint. The gecko imprint on the foot.
No, it's just the guts.
Just the guts. There's the eyeball there. Let's see.
No.
No eyeball? Oh. Did I miss the gecko berry? Let's see. Did I miss the gecko berry? Let's see. Huh?
No.
Oh, you haven't buried him yet. Okay, we're ready now.
A minute ago.
Oh, we did. Oh, too late. What? Oh, he's out there?
Yeah, he's out
Swim,
there.
gecko, swim! You can.
You should watch where he's going. Yeah, he's...
And then I grabbed. Oh, that's the chin.
Annoying them.
What was the protocol for that with the runway?
Well, they're racing and we're not, so we're being rude. But since she knows them, I think it's okay. Since Diva knows them.
Diva doesn't know shit.
Can we quote you on that, Diva? You don't know shit. What do we need? Under control, under control.
Spinnaker's off the net for some reason.
Yeah, I think it went for a little splashy, a little douchey. Yeah. It's okay. At least it didn't get under the boat. They would have ripped it in two had it rolled under the boat. And those are like $1,000, you know, so that would have been in tears. But look, they all got spinnakers up. They got spinnakers up. And
the beaver running too.
Yeah, and look, and we're going just as fast. We got shoots up, and this boat is holding up with these guys.
Jump off and we're not hitting the boat.
In a crash, we're the ones who will be alright. There won't be those guys. Well, those boats are little boats. Driving! We're driving! Oh, they're all driving too. Okay. Okay, here comes the line.
They're going that way, we're going...
Woohoo! I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm gonna get the shot. Anything worth some rope rooms. I bleed for my art, it's okay. Is it hung up? There you go. Oh, whip it around. There you go. There you go. Put your back in it, girl.
Now, when we tap, we're gonna let go. That is not funny.
Oh, we'll have to bleep that out. You can't talk naughty in my videos.
Free off of there. You guys ready?
all the shouting and stuff, it's just it's fun though. It's nothing very serious. Here she comes again. This is where I'm moving in. My new house.
You are modeling.
Strike a pose.
Wow.
Ride the bosun's chair off.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
That's a blast.
So you like
You
hanging off the
got you got
side?
the films of that?
Yeah.
We do
Sunset going on.
we do like Peter Pan. You fly in the air like Peter Pan.
No, not that one.
The
Bosun's chair.
bosun's
off
chair.
While we're sailing.
Oh, well, we're
dragging in the
sailing.
water.
Oh, dragging the water. But when about
Dragging in the water.
we gotta get a chute and fly like Peter Pan.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Have you ever done that?
No.
Oh, shoot.
You hang the chute, you put the boat backwards, throw the anchor out the stern, and fly your spinnaker.
No, you do not do that.
Oh,
It's
we
very
do
fun.
Do not.
And then you
Put the anchor on the back.
yes. And then you fly
What do
like
you mean yes? You do cooperating with the politics.
Then you go in the back.
Tip the boat, and he pulls the boat up.
no, it puts person that they fly. You think happy thoughts. Have you ever seen the movie Peter Pan? You think and you fly in the air. Liz has done it. You should have heard her scream. It was really funny.
Hey,
Do you go
how
in
you
the
guys
water or
doing?
you just hang there?
Both. You go so high up, it's scary as hell.
Billy,
Where's your boat?
right there.
Oh,
My
it was
stuff
her.
and
It was
everything.
her fault.
My fault.
Oh, she was driving.
It was
Driving.
wasn't me. Jean.
Oh, they're coming to get us. Kick them off. Don't let them up
Well,
there.
it's our